I'm going to say it for you. It's not the will to win that matters. Everybody got the will to win. It's the will to prepare yourself that matters. Are you willing to make yourself better than what you are right now? To prepare yourself, to put yourself mentally in a position to achieve that level that you see for yourself, that vision that you have. Because it comes from a concept, it comes from your imagination. It was Albert Einstein who said, imagination is the preview for the coming attraction of your life. The preview. So what do you see? What is the concept that you have? Are you willing to prepare yourself? Let me tell you, let me break that down just a little bit. Everybody wants something more. Who woke up this morning and said that I want to stay in the same position that I'm in? Who said that I don't want nothing more than what I have right now? Somebody tell me that they willing to stay in this same position and I'm good here. Somebody tell me. Nobody. Are you willing to prepare yourself to win? That's what matters. Hands down.